How to delete PayPal account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, first and foremost, tap open your PayPal application in your device. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. If not, go ahead and log in. You can do this process both from your application and your website. For this, you can go ahead and check out the settings option in the website, which will be located in the top right corner. If you are using the app, tap on the profile icon. Locate the option of Close Account, which might be under the option of Account or Help, usually at the bottom of the options. PayPal will likely ask you to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. So make sure to provide a valid reason. For confirmation, click on Close Account once again. Always review before you close your account. Ensure you have withdrawn any of the remaining fund and settled any of the outstanding payment. So this is how you'll be able to delete your PayPal account permanently. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.